Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What can I say? We are at a $1.27 trillion market cap. That is a lot of money. That's like probably 30% more than I have in my bank account. So what we're going to do is talk about Cardano. So we did a video recently, and we're going to put that up here on the screen. So first, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. The comment should be a question or a statement. It can be rhetorical. So comment based on your thoughts and what else you want to see in the future. You guys can ask anything and everything, right? Maybe you want me to get another haircut. Like maybe you're like, I'm tired of looking at your hair. Maybe you're tired of listening about Cardano. Whatever it is, I don't care. So we're going to be talking about Cardano, and then we're going to get into some other exciting news. I have a product I want to share with you all, but I want to continue to provide free content, and we also have a free gift for you all as well. All right, so let's dive into it. By the way, if you haven't already, definitely take out a pen and paper because you're going to learn a little bit today as well. So we are on the YouTube channel, and I just launched a video called the Bitcoin ETF approved. So definitely check that out if you want to get my thoughts and opinions and just a little bit of, what's going on with Bitcoin. That's going to be a great video for you to watch. So it's short and sweet, and I thought I made a pretty cool thumbnail. I almost look like a villain or something, which I am not. I'm not a villain, at least not yet. Not until Bitcoin crashes in Cardano. So we are at a $1.27 trillion market cap. This is the best news that we've had in 2 years. Okay. It has been insufferable investing into crypto. I mean, I bought the dip of the dip of the dip of the dip of the dip, and then it crashed. And then I bought the dip of the dip of that dip. So, it's cool to see that personally, my portfolio is back to where it was after that huge 80% drop off. So that has been commitment. So, and comment down below if you've been suffering in crypto for years, if you have been motivated and a little bit inspired based on the ETF approval, comment down below. I would like to know. Okay. So let's dive right into it. And of course, Bitcoin at 34,000. More importantly, Cardano is at 28 cents, up about 13%, which we all like to see here on the channel. So Cardano, a beautiful proof of stake crypto. You've got smart contracts that are just better, cheaper throughput and transaction fees. A lot of NFTs going on with Cardano, and it is by far my number one crypto position. But I mean, right now, Bitcoin is going to lead the charge. For those of you that are relatively new to crypto, basically what happens is Bitcoin leads the way, and then you have what is known as an alt season. So altcoins tend to pump after Bitcoin does. So this is good news. You want Bitcoin to do well, and it is the store of value. It is the digital gold, and it's been history. So today we are Tuesday. Okay, we're Tuesday, but it's 12:03 a.m. So when I started recording this video, it was Monday. So right now it's Tuesday, October 24th. It is 12:03. So just for context, to give you an idea, you're probably watching this probably 12 hours from now. So I also did a top 10 picks in this video. So if you watch this video, I also have a top 10 picks in here. So if you want to get some nice picks, definitely check that out as well. So that is the big one. And also, if you want to learn about Cardano, I got a free Cardano mini course. This course will get you started, and it will get you educated to the point where, if you want to set up a wallet, if you want to learn how to send and receive tokens to anybody in the world that has a ADA wallet, you'll be able to do so. Also for NFTs, it's a great course. So if you plan on subscribing and watching a lot more content, this is a must. And I also want to mention, I don't want to drop this in my coffee, but I do have a Trezor Model T. We also have links for you. You can save up to 25% off. Yeah, I'm doing a little plug right now. This is by far the best crypto hardware wallet. There's also the Trezor 3 that just came out, and if you're on a budget, I recommend that one as well. But this one I've used, and I only share products that I've used, and I only have affiliate links for products that I've owned and that I've approved myself. So that is the most important here on the channel. I'm only going to share with you things that I do and that I believe in. So at least with me, there are no scams, nothing like that. Also, this course just came out. It is our simple guide to crypto and NFTs. So if you want to learn cryptos and NFTs, learning how to set up wallets, learning about blockchain, we go from blockchain 101 into how to send and receive tokens. We give you a visual representation of how all that works. So if you want to get into crypto and you don't know where to start and you don't want to, lose your tokens or get scammed, this is the best place to go. So I recommend, if you're interested, check it out. We have links in the description below for you. And the best part is you can watch the preview material. You also get a downloadable workbook that I created. It's over 7 hours of content. I built this myself. It took, I would say, 14 and a half to 15 months. So, this is my gift for anybody that for under $100, typically it's going to be under $50. And we're going to be doing sales over the next couple weeks as well. So definitely check that out. It's a simple guide to cryptos and NFTs, and it's great. So if you want to pay for one, get that. If you want a free course, definitely check out the Cardano mini course. You get full lifetime access for both of them. I also wanted to mention that I did a video on the Trezor Safe 3. So I gave my thoughts and opinions. Of course, I've never used this device. It just came out. But now's a good time. As cryptocurrencies are going up in value, you want to be able to protect your assets. So you can use the affiliate link that I have for you, save up to 25% off. I don't have one for the Trezor Safe 3, but if you're on a budget, go ahead, use this link. And I think this is probably it's going to be the most recommended wallet that I recommend over the next couple of years because of the security that it has. The aesthetics are nice. I do own the Trezor 1, but it's got that next generation security, and I'm all about the security. So comment down below. I definitely want to know what hardware wallet you guys are using. I've been hearing good things about, I believe it's called Tangem, and they have a really interesting wallet. Kind of looks like a credit card. I definitely see a lot of potential in the near future for ADA. I can see it hitting $6 by 2025, maybe 2026, depends on what happens. So that is my number one position. And with the development of Midnight and other projects that are happening with Cardano, I just think it's got a lot of room to grow. So with that being said, the moose is loose. Comment down below. Ask me some questions that you have about the space. We'll see you all in the next one.